Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to model a modern bedroom. Take a rectangle, draw a rectangle of 4100 by 3600. Give the height of 3000. Select the front face and delete. Now give the walls thickness. Push pull, pressing control inside 150 wall thickness. For slab and the flooring also, we are going to give the thickness of 150 Now we are going to create the opening. So for opening, take a reference of 900 and give the lintel level to 2100. From this side, we are going to give 750 then 1800 and make a line. We are going to create the rectangle. I will select the rectangle and push pull it to minus 150. I will take the reference of this edge. So that's how we have created a opening. I will delete the guidelines. Now, before modeling a room, you should download the necessary objects from 3D warehouse. I have already downloaded the bed model. I have downloaded curtains, bed, carpet, window and fan, AC from the 3D warehouse. So we will just incorporate the models from 3D warehouse. We will open the downloaded file just one by one. For adding windows, I will take this window, I will hold Ctrl C and go to my main bedroom and I will just place Ctrl V, take the reference. With the help of rotate tool, I will lock the axis on blue and give the value of 90. With the help of scale tool, I will just scale the window. I will scale the window. I will adjust the window. And scale accordingly. Now we will add the bed. Before adding bed, I will open the file. I will open the file of wardrobe and study table. This is the side table and this is the wardrobe. We will select the wardrobe, Ctrl C and go to our main file, Ctrl V. We will just place over here. I will make group. I will rotate the wardrobe to 90. Place the wardrobe over here. We will give the wardrobe full height feel. So we will select the wardrobe and just stretch it to the level of the ceiling. We will select the shutter and stretch it. We will copy the wardrobe. Just give the gap of 2 mm to show the groove. Now we will add the bed and the curtain. I will select curtain. I will select curtain holding Ctrl C and go to our main file, and I will just place Ctrl V. We will adjust the curtain by using scale tool. I am showing here full height curtains. With the X-ray view, we can adjust this also. We will rotate the curtain so the sheer part will go back and the main part will come front 180 degrees and adjust. Now we will add the bed. So this is the bed model I have downloaded from 3D warehouse. I will select the bed and the carpet and the poofy. I will press Ctrl C and then I will just press Ctrl V. The geometry of the bed is heavy, so it is taking some time to paste the bed inside the room. Just click and in the top view turn on X-ray mode and camera parallel projection and adjust the bed inside the bedroom. Turn off the X-ray mode. We will select the carpet and delete the carpet. Now we will add the side table. So select the side table, Ctrl C and go to the main file, Ctrl V. In the front view, we will adjust the side table. We will select the side table and stretch it little bit. I can stretch it and adjust 155 mm. We will select both the wardrobe and make group, and for the time being we will rearrange the wardrobe. We will select the side table and copy it to the other side. I will extend the bedroom to this side. Firstly, I will place the wardrobe. I will extend the bedroom to 750 mm and place the wardrobe. That's how we have completed the modeling of bedroom. We will turn on perspective mode and set the camera angle. अगर आप भी इस तरह के टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स डेली बेसिस पर सीखना चाहते हो तो चैनल को फॉलो करो और अगर आप मेरे साथ लाइव जुड़ना चाहते हो तो बायो को चेक करो।